And we had to really look for places to actually get fitness. We had to look for places which really helped us in holistic ways also, but not just that, but also just to teach the kids how to be healthy and really create a great foundation. And I think that's what we're trying to do with Seesaw. And when Swati came with this idea to me, it was something that really struck a chord, because I have a 6-year-old as well, and be healthy and still work on their fitness. And I think that's something that we are trying to achieve over here. You know, obviously we can grow in so many ways and we have so many ideas, and we don't want to get into that right now, but the right space for kids and for parents, not just to come and spend a couple of hours, but actually to leave here learning something and really changing and making a change in their lives, and for the better, because really the growth starts when you're 4, 5, 3, not when you're 15, 16. You know, and we talk about kids becoming overweight, and then all of a sudden we're like all worried, like what is happening, like we need to put them on a diet. But if we start the foundation this early, and that's what we're trying to do with Seesaw Spaces. So for me, these 3 things are very important. Being a woman, being a mother, and doing it with friends. So there was no way I could say no to something like this. So thank you so much, Rija and Swati, for...
హలో హాయ్ అందరికీ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. ఇవాళ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా స్పెషల్ డే మాకు సీసాకి. సీసా ఇది ఒక యూనో కిడ్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సెంటర్. మాకు ఇక్కడ కిడ్స్కి గ్రోత్ కోసం ట్రైనింగ్ పాటు ప్లే ఏరియా అండ్ దెన్ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి కెఫే కలిపి ఉన్నాయి. మీ అండ్ శ్రీజ మీ ఇద్దరం కలిసి ఇన్ అ ఇయర్ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ 1 year బ్యాక్. ఇవాళ స్పెషల్ ఒకేషన్ బికాజ్ యూనో మై ఫ్రెండ్ అండ్ టెన్నిస్ లెజెండ్ సానియా మిర్జా మనతో ఉన్నారు. అండ్ ఆవిడ కూడా మా విజన్ని అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుని మాతో పార్ట్నర్ అవుతున్నారు. సో వీఆర్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అండ్ చాలా చాలా ప్లాన్స్తో ఉన్నాం మేము. ఈ ఆవిడ అన్నట్టు హైదరాబాద్ని ఒక టాడ్లర్స్ సిటీ అండ్ స్టేట్గా చేయాలి అని. సో ప్లీజ్ మనందరినీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నందుకు. అంటే సీసో అన్నప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా దానికి చాలా మీనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ మన చిన్నప్పుడు ప్లే గ్రౌండ్లో ఆడుకునే మోస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ గేమ్ సీసో అనేది. బట్ సీసో అంటే ఇనిషియల్గా మా థాట్ సౌండ్ చేస్తే అది స్వాతి శ్రీజ అని కూడా అలా అనిపించింది అని అలా అనుకున్నాం. బట్ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో అబౌట్ ప్రెజెంట్ అండ్ పాస్ట్. సో చాలా మీనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఒక చైల్డ్కి అది చాలా బాగా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అనిపించి సీసో అని పేరు పెట్టాం. ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ ఇక్కడ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 year old బేబీ నుంచి అట్లీస్ట్ టీనేజర్ వరకు రావచ్చు. అందుకనే వీ హ్యావ్ ప్లే ఏరియా విచ్ ఇస్ ఫర్ అప్ టిల్ 5-6 years వరకు అక్కడ ఆడుకున్న తర్వాత ట్రైనింగ్ కోసం ఆల్మోస్ట్ 11-12 years చైల్డ్ ఆల్సో కెన్ కమ్ అండ్ బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ సీసా.
Ready? I think Swati said everything, but I just want to say and reiterate that I'm so excited to be part of this exciting project, especially with friends. And this is something that is very close to all our hearts, because not just because we are women, but because we are mothers, and we really understand the need of the hour for something like this. And this has been on for the last 1 year, like Swati and Shrija were mentioning, but we just want to try to take it to that next level, hopefully, and we can try to really raise the bar and provide something that is exceptional for our children of today, and try to provide them with a great foundation, not just holistically, not just educationally, and not just play-wise, but also fitness and health-wise. So, and I think that is something that we're trying to do. And but besides that, today is very important because I'm very happy to be a part of such an amazing project, and I'm very happy that you guys have come here. And I want to say, like Swati said, that please do encourage this, because I think it is the need of the hour for the children of today with the iPads and the phones. We don't want them sitting on screens as much. We want them to come to places like this and really learn and grow.
And what is the main reason you collaborate
Main reason, I just told you the entire list, but the main reason is the fact that I think as a mother I really understand, and I think that as a mother it really hits a nerve for me when we say that we want our children to grow into becoming individually mature adults, while knowing the foundation of good health, good learning, and providing them with that opportunity. If we don't give that opportunity to the kids, they will not have it. It's a lot easier to give an iPad to them when they are eating. It's a lot easier for us also. It's a lot harder to bring them to a place like this. That is why we're trying to create something for the parents as well, where they can probably sit and do their meetings and Zoom calls and have a small coffee shop and do something. So this is something, but the main reason really is because as a mother I really connect with it.
Sani madam, New Year reservation मैंने
New Year resolution, I have started with a bang with Seesaw. So I'm going to start with this. I don't really believe in long-term resolutions. I just hope that we can all have a healthy, peaceful 2025. Thank you.
madam center.
Some.